Hello and welcome to my channel. I would like to show you how to make a Loretta Lynn doll. Only snapshots of the repainting process are available because it's done under a magnifying glass. Let's begin the dress by making molded cups using fabric stiffener. I normally use another doll of same body type to make a dress for a repainted doll. Due to complexity of this dress, I had to use two dolls. This very pretty elastic will be the lace. After the glue dries, it's time to take off the molded fabric. And cut it into shape. Double folded tulle goes over the cups and is sewn down with pleats. Cut neckline here. More tulle for the stomach. Side panels. Side seams. Tulle is always doubled, otherwise it's too transparent. A large overlap for the back. This dress will have Velcro fastening. Double the lace for foam shoulder pads. Sew sleeves onto the padded shoulders. Now for the skirt. Fold fabric to cut out a complete circle. Overlock the hemline. Pinch two squares in the center and attach to the waist. Use as many squares as needed for full skirt effect. Trim the tulle. Cover the bodice in lace. Using the same lacy elastic, decorate the front of the lace. This unifies the dress with the wrist cuffs. Last step is adding the beads. These are size 11s. I wish I had size 15s of matching color though. Glue elastic onto the neckline. Time to dress the repainted doll. Wrap your hands in plastic wrap so that fingers don't tear the lace on the sleeves. There she is, Loretta in her gown. Next is the guitar. Using plastic mesh, cut out guitar pattern. Sew the pieces of mesh together. Glue gun would be faster, but it would melt in the oven. Thread will not. Use wire to make the neck sturdy. This is the clay I used. Roll it out very thin. Back part of the neck is varying in thickness. Stick the clay onto the plastic mesh. Side is ultra thin. not to add extra bulky width to the guitar. Using tools, smooth and define details. Placing the guitar into aluminum box with baking soda. Stuff the inside of the guitar with baking soda to prevent collapse in the oven. Into the oven it goes. Now it's baked. Shake out all the baking soda and rinse it. Painting time at last. Ochre color. Burnt light umber for the side. Dry smear the umber onto ochre for wood effect. Black for the bridge. Black background for the pick guard. Color soundhole brown. Simplified edging to just one white and black line instead of 3 of them. Bridge pins in high viscosity silver. Using white, draw the bird and tree parts. Smear golden glimmer on the white. Outline precision with black paint. Mr. Super Clear Spray. Draw frets on the neck. Paint Loretta Lynn. Drill holes for tuning pegs all the way through. From wire, fold string posts and tuning pegs armature. Using plain thread for strings, stretch and paint bronze. Glue gun and wire form the string posts. Using 2-part putty, sculpt the tuning pegs. Final touches. Glue a piece of paper in the sound hole. She's all done. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more doll transformations.